The Ptron HBE6 earphones, are they a waste of money for 200 rupees? Let's talk about that. Welcome to my channel. Hello guys. Recently I was in search of a budget earphone for daily use, and I was searching in Amazon. I was looking and I found a 200 rupees earphone, the Ptron HBE6. So how good is this? Let's check, right? Let's go to the unboxing. Its specifications are: it is a 10 ohm driver, the impedance of speaker is 32 ohm, the speaker sensitivity is 116 decibels, take output 3 decibels, frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It's printed 600 rupees, but I got it for 200, and also I had to pay some 30 rupees delivery cost, even though I made it over 500. I don't know why. Let's see. Cutting it out. Yeah, overall the packing is neat. It doesn't feel much heavy or anything. It's just 200 rupee earphone inside, so nothing to be heavy about. Mic sensitivity is 62 plus or minus 3 decibels, and it has a 1 meter cable length. The Ptron HBE6 has a very glassy look. Opening inside, the shapes are so good that I accidentally mistook this for the front side. Sorry, it fell down. Oh, it's so firmly kept inside, hard to take out. Let me arrange these here. It feels somewhat strong and not that soft and all. Let that be here. These parts feel very firm and doesn't feel like a low quality item like the rest of the wires. It has got a nice 3.5 mm jack and somewhat okay looking mic and button here behind the logo. And there's the logo. Not a sponsor. It doesn't feel too bad for a 200 rupees earphone. And let's check what else do we have inside the box. So it comes with this, which we can put it on top of the case. So we can hang it somewhere. My previous earphones were MI basic. I would honestly suggest to you, but that is not currently available. But it feels like bouncy, like it's rubber. But this one, the Ptron HBE6, feels more firm. It's more plasticky. I tested this earphone and it was very loud. I had to reduce the volume a bit to make it comfortable for me. I don't like that much loudness. but that's not negative. For those people who like loud noises, this might be a good thing. And also I used this to call someone, and I gave it to my brother to call me, and the mic was okay. Not just okay, it's very good. So for a 200 rupees earphone, this seems like a very great deal. Let's see how long it lasted. I just checked it for 1 week and it's fine up till now. I have the black variant here. I chose this because the red variant has lesser reviews, that is way lesser reviews than the black variant. So I didn't want to take any chances, and the black variant seems just fine. For 200 rupees it's more than fine, and my experience with it is great. So if you want an earphone at around 200 rupees, this could be a choice. I have the link in the description. Please use that link. You can support me at no extra cost to you. So before closing, what earphone are you using? What is its price range? How happy are you with it? Tell me down in the comments below. Thanks for liking and commenting. Thanks for watching till now. I'm Bimal, and